Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you that thinking this way will help you have a better life. That's right, if you want a better life, you can have a better life. You just have to get your mindset in the right place. Now, what is the mindset sort of shift and what is the way that you have to think in order to get that better life? Well, it's very, very simple. All that you have to remember is the following. All that you have to remember is be the person you want to be. That's right. Literally, be the person you want to be. And I'll say it one more time, just to drive it home for the last time, I promise. What you have to think and what you have to remember is the following. You have to think and remember, be the person you want to be. That is literally it. Be the exact version of the person that you want to be. Okay, it is literally as simple as that. So, what does that mean? Well, you know who you are, and you know who you want to be. Just be that person. Transform who you are to who you want to be. It is within your capabilities. It is obtainable. It is attainable. It is very, very much so doable. You can absolutely accomplish it. You just need to get to work and make it happen. So it's very simple. Let's say you want to be a person that eats healthy foods. Then guess what? Be that person that you want to be and eat healthier foods. Let's say you want to be the type of person that works really, really hard. Guess what? Go ahead, be the person who works really, really hard. Go and get to work. Let's say you want to be the person who works out every day. Well, guess what? Figure out how to work out every day. Be the person. Be that person. It is very, very much so doable. A lot of people have the wrong mentality and, they craft their life in the sense of like, oh, I can't, I cannot, it can't happen. But instead of doing that, switch the way that you think to the I can. It will happen when I make it happen. Of course I can do it. Of course I can make it happen. If you want to be a certain person, then put in the work and be that person. And when you think that way, you're going to start crafting your life to be how you want it to be. Because guess what? If you become the person that you want to be, you're going to have accomplished that. You're going to have accomplished the goal. You want to be this person? When you become that person, guess what? That's the life that you wanted. Okay? That's exactly the life that you wanted. So you're going to have a better life. If you be the person you want to be, you will create the life that you want. You will craft your dream life, craft your desired life. And guess what? If you have your dream life, you have a better life and a better lifestyle and a happier overall, happier overall life, a happier overall personality. Everything is as good as it's going to be. Okay? Very, very simple. You'll be happier, I truly believe. Anyways, that's hopefully what's going to happen. Anyways, that's basically it. I tried to keep this video short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. But yeah, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the official outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.